Hello children. Today I am giving explanation on lesson number 4, clothes we wear. Now children, keep your finger children. Now clothes we wear. Now why do we wear the clothes children? Why we people are wearing the clothes? Because clothes protects our body from heat and dust. Yes children, cloth will protect our body from the heat and dust. That's why we will wear clothes. Now in this lesson, we will read and learn about. Now in this lesson, we are going to learn about why do we need clothes. Yes children, just now I asked question, why do we need the clothes? Different material used for making clothes. Now different material will use for the making the clothes. Clothes according to season. Yes children, we have to wear the clothes according to season. Care of clothes. We have to take care of the clothes children. The early man covered himself with skins of animals and leaves of plants. Now children, before 100 years before children, there was no clothes. That's why what the people was doing, they was covering their body with the skin of animals. They was removing the skin of animals and they was covering their body. Otherwise they was stitching. Otherwise they was covering the leaves of plants of on their body. Gradually he learned the art of weaving and stitching clothes. Gradually means what children? Slowly they learned art of the weaving and stitching. How to stitch the cloth. They learned the art of weaving and stitching. We need different clothes throughout the day. Yes children, we require the different clothes. We require different clothes throughout the day. Full day we require the different clothes. Clothes for school. For the school you want different clothes. Clothes for home. Again when you came back from the school, then again you will change your dress. Clothes for play. When you will go for the playing, that time again you will change the dress. Clothes for party. Now if you are going for the party means you will wear nice dress. And clothes for a sleeping. Again while going to the bed you will change your dress and night dress you people will wear. These many dress we require children. In this picture you can see, to school you will wear uniform. At home you wear normal dress. At party costly dresses you will wear for the party. At play dress you will wear. At bedtime you people will wear night dress children. Why do we need clothes? Clothes make us look smart. Yes children, if you are wearing the clothes, good clothes means you will look smart. They protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain and insect bites. Now the clothes will protect us from the dust, heat, cold, rain, and insect bite. Means insect will not bite children if you are wearing the clothes. Let us know more about it. Then you have to learn more about the clothes. Air around us has a tiny dust particles. Now in air children, small dust particles are there. Tiny means very small dust particles will be there. When we take off our clothes after wearing them for some time, we can see the dust on them. When you are wearing clothes, then after some time you went outside, means when you will come back, that time you can see there on the clothes dust will be there. If we did not wear clothes, if we are not wearing the clothes, all this dust would have settled on our body. If we are not going to wear the clothes children, all the dust will settle on our body. Clothes protect us from dust. Now clothes will protect us from the dust. Clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. Here children, sun heat will be too much, then clothes will protect from us sun. You must have seen the part of the body which is not covered by clothes is generally darker than the covered part. Here children, you can observe the part of you will cover your body, it will be little bit white, and whatever it will be seen, it will be little bit darker. This is because the uncovered part gets tanned by the sun. Now uncovered part whichever it will be there, that is why tanned by the sun, means sun's heat directly it will go on that part, and that part will become like a brown color. It will become like a brown color children. Thus clothes protect us from the sun. So clothes will protect from the sun. During winter, we like to wear thick and warm clothes. Yes children, in a winter season, cold will be there. That's why you want warm clothes and thick clothes you want. They protect us from the cold. They protect us from the cold children. Clothes protect us from rain. Now clothes will protect us from the rain also. We wear a raincoat made of waterproof material to keep dry during the rain. Then in a rainy season, most probably all will use the raincoat to protect yourself dry. Clothes protect us from insect bites. Now clothes will protect from us insect bite children. If we wear full sleeved clothes, we get protection from the mosquitoes bites. If you are wearing the full sleeves, not a half, then your body can be protected from the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes cannot bite you. Children, you have to read this much today's homework.